Thanks for clicking on this video. In this video, I will give you a brief introduction about C programming language. C is a general purpose programming language. General purpose means it can be used to create a software which can be used for different purposes. It was created by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at AT&T Bell Labs. C language is easy and it creates efficient programs. Now, efficient program is a program which uses less time and resources and produces more results. C can be compiled in the variety of computers, whether it is a supercomputer at a computer station or a personal computer at your home. C language is a procedural language, which means that it follows our instructions in a specific sequence. C language is based on top-to-down approach. Now, what is top-to-down approach? I will tell you about that in a few minutes. Now let's talk about all the points in detail. So, C language is a general purpose programming language. It is a type of application that can be used for a variety of tasks. So, it is not limited to just single task. For example, a text editor can be used to write a book, to create your own resume, or even to make a poster. So a text editor can be classified as a general purpose software. Now, efficient programming. Efficient programming is something which uses less resources in its execution, and as I told you earlier, it produces more results in the less time. Now, different programmers can use different methods to write the code. Some methods are more convenient and less time consuming, while other methods are more time consuming and less convenient. It only depends on the experience of the programmer. A good programmer can create any type of code, but a great programmer creates low file size and a low resource consuming code, making it an efficient program. Now let's talk about procedural language. Procedural language is something which have a series of steps to make a program. It follows some user-defined commands in a defined order. Moving on to the next, top-down approach. In simple words, top-down approach breaks down a big problem into some smaller tasks and then it performs each and every task one by one. For example, if I tell you to make a calculator, what you will do, you will make an addition function, a subtraction function, a multiplication, division and many other functions and combine it together to make a software which is called as a calculator. And as a single software, calculator will do all the operations for you. So that's all about the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching and feel free to give your feedback in the comment section below.